To meet the standard of ISTE 5.B, I participated in a class Facebook page. The standard states to model and facilitate safe, healthy, legal, and ethical uses of digital information and technologies. Through the class Facebook page, I was required to make multiple posts on the page and respond to classmates. Through this social media, I was able to model and facilitate safe, healthy, legal, and ethical uses of digital technologies. As you can see here, this is our class Facebook page created by our professor. Throughout the page, different peers and our professor have commented and left information. I was responsible for responding to classmates and, as you can see here, making posts of my own.